So, getting back to the open records request, and the reason why I'm asking is we went through this in redistricting, where the law firm that was hired by the Senate Republicans represented the Wisconsin State Senate. They wouldn't give me, and I wrote them, and it was a nice letter, they wouldn't give me any information on how much they were billing, how much per hour, none of that, even though I was a client. And that's why I'm asking, would they be subject to the open records laws? In other words, can I, as a state legislator, even though they're not representing me, but they are, could I get information through the open records law, or is that attorney-client privilege stuff?
There are exceptions under the open records law, one of which is the attorney-client communications. And so anything that you would ask for that could be covered under that would not be subject to open records.
If I put somebody on retainer, as opposed to hire them for one job, put them on a retainer over the course of a 4-year or 6-year period, technically none of that would be subject to the open records law because it's an ongoing relationship, therefore ongoing attorney-client privilege. Therefore, I can never find out how much the Republicans are spending on legal fees. We might know what the issue is, but we don't know. We will never know how much they're spending on legal fees if they are on a retainer versus a flat fee one-time job.
As long as the fees are paid for legal advice or for advice currently in a lawsuit or pursuant to a lawsuit.
Okay. Okay.